Welcome again. This video to solve one issue I faced when I updating my project. One of the supplier reporting for the precast quantity every week. But I need to know the previous quantity to know the variance. And I need this to be automatic, not using Excel to select cell or something. No, I need everything to done in Power BI is automatic way. And his report mechanism didn't show the previous. So after looking for it, I found these two methods to get the previous quantity automatic. And then you can get the value. The example which we're going to use is for 11 days. You can use it for 11 weeks, whatever. But for now, 11 days, and I have the total quantity, which is the cumulative. This one is the cumulative each day, or each week, or each month. And I need to get the previous value like this here. For this day is a 4 and previous is 0. That means we produce 4. And here 56 and previous was 50. Then that means I produce only 6. So let's see these two methods. The first method depending on a nice formula in M query. But to use this formula, first I need to add index column from here. I will shift it to this area. Okay. And then add a custom column. I will call it previous quantity. And here the formula will be list.range. And then I will select my source. I have to write source with capital S. Very important. Capital S, source, and I will select total quantity. Then the offset as a number will be the index, but -1. That means whatever the index, give me the equivalent index -1. Yani for 2 give me 1 like this. And here we will add 1 as a 1 value to show, because if you didn't add 1 you will get bunch of result, not one result. Okay, you will get error, no problem. First I need to extract values here. Okay, none. And we have to convert this one to odd number. And to solve this error, very easy, transform, replace error and write 0 or whatever the number you want to start with it. Okay. Now we have the total quantity and the previous quantity. I can add a custom column, variance, for example. And here will be the total quantity minus previous quantity. Okay. As you can see, this method depends on formula and list query. Let's go to the second method. For the second method, I will duplicate this one and I will remove all like this. Just I consider to add the index file. We have to add another column, the index +1. So I will add here from add column, standard, add 1. Very important. Here I select the index column because he will add number for each value in the column which you select. Very important. 1. Okay. Then we will use a very good feature here from the merge query. I will merge this table with self. Current index with additional. Okay. Then I tell him, please give me the total quantity. Then I will change to previous quantity, and I can delete this one. Let's remove. Again, I will repeat the same transform, add column, custom, the total quantity minus the previous quantity, then here variance. Okay. But in this way, the column is arranged, so you have to resort it as per the index sending. And here we can change this one from transform replace value null to 0 to work very good. But better this replace to done before you add the custom column like this to get the value. Let's go to now to our dashboard. I apply the changes, and if we select this line, for example, I will take this one, line and cluster. I will add from the production or precast. I will get the date in the share axis, date, and from the total quantity I put it in the line. I get a count. We will change to summation. Okay, this is the summation. And for the variance, I will put it in the column. Again, summation of the variance here. Let's go back. The variance as let's change to a number. Apply, and here we can change the variance to summation, and you will get like histogram for the production over the period. I think this is very good to track the anything production, execution, whatever. And as you can see, this method very helpful if you didn't want to use Excel and you want to automate everything within the Power BI or Power Query even with Excel. I hope this video is good for you, and thanks for your watching.